Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a beef stew. I'm going to be making carne guisada. And I have a lot of vegetables here, so I'm going to go over every one with you. So you may find different recipes on this, but this is how I like to make mine. And for the ingredients, I'm using 1 pound of chuck beef, half of a red pepper, half of a green pepper, 2 tomatoes, 1 chayote, which is the green vegetable, 1 small potato, 1 red onion, 8 cloves of garlic. I'm using half of a calabaza, 2 corn on the cobs, 2 plantains, a green one and a yellow one, 1 can of tomato sauce, cilantro, 1 cup of white wine, 1 cup of water, 2 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of cumin, sazon, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, and salt and pepper to taste. Now I'm adding a little olive oil in a pan so that I can get ready to saute my onions, peppers, and garlic because I'm getting ready to make sofrito. And sofrito is the basis to all Latino cooking. And that's what makes Latino cooking so delicious. So next I'm going to add in my tomato sauce, and I'm going to cook my sofrito for about maybe 3 minutes. And once all the vegetables are soft, then I'm going to add in the other ingredients. Next I'm adding in 2 tomatoes chopped, and I'm going to add my beef stew straight into the sofrito. And some people may brown their beef stew, but in this case you don't have to brown it. It doesn't matter. This smells so delicious already. My mouth is watering. I wish you guys could smell my kitchen. Now I'm going to add all my dry ingredients and mix everything together. Now when you're making your stew, if you feel that you need to change up the amount of the dry ingredients, you can. Like I said before, I eyeball everything and I don't measure. But I try to give you guys an amount just so that you won't over season it. Next I'm adding in 2 bay leaves, and I'm going to add in my liquids. And with this stew, if you feel that you need to add more water or more wine, you can. And you can change up the amount of the ingredients, or if you don't have a certain amount, a certain ingredient rather, just add what you have in the kitchen. Next, I'm going to add in my cilantro. And basically what I'm doing is layering my flavors. So it's just like building my stew, basically. Building the flavors to my stew. Now, if you don't like cilantro, you can also use parsley. Parsley works well in this stew. And next, I'm adding in my potatoes, my calabaza, and my chayote. And I'm also adding in about 10 olives. And you can omit the olives, but to me, I love olives, and it makes the stew taste delicious. So I'm going to cook this for about 45 minutes, and my stew will be ready. And here is my delicious carne guisada, my beef stew. And if you guys haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so now. And also visit me on Facebook and my Facebook group called Lolita's Cuban Kitchen. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.